Ladies and gentlemen, Geeky here. Welcome to the daily update. Hope you guys had a good day trading today. Market is up about 0.4%. There on the S&P Nasdaq 0.2% negative, along with the semiconductor Dow. Also 2,000 transport, banks, energy, biotech, healthcare, home builders, utilities, retail, emerging market, principal sectors are seemingly green today. Bitcoin down, gold, silver miners are up, dollar down, oil up, treasury bond up. The rates are down. VIX is down a little bit. Let's stick with FTP 500 ETF. Spider 65-minute chart here. So this is what we closed on Friday. It looks like we actually saw a slight gap or slight up move here, as you can see. There was that first hour move, second hour came down, third, fourth sideways. Looks like that micro-term moving average was there to prop it up on the fifth hour. As you can see, the micro-term moving average has been really supporting the micro-term buyers here.
Perfect.
Every single, seemingly a pullback or sideways. It looks like the micro-term was right there to assist the buyer's trajectory. And on the fifth and sixth hour, we did see that higher upturn closing the day on the high of the day right here. So we've been talking a lot about the that pivot right here, right? That horizontal pivot, and also been following up about that falling resistance. And both were able to clear both of those levels here last week.
Perfect.
Right here and right here.
Perfect.
Friday and today. So it looks like bulls are eyeing on 413 or so.
Perfect.
This is the last known down gap area, coinciding, as you can see here, coinciding with the swing high right here. You can see that swing high right here. So all the down gaps been filled, and this is next known down gap that bulls must fill if they want another chance to battle with the boss bears around 420 or so. So should there be any kind of decline? If we do lose that micro term right here, currently residing at 409 or so, 406 definitely is going to be a bit stronger support. Again, because that level did act as strong resistance. So this entire level here, 406, 407, or 406, 404 or so, this entire band of support could be served as a stronger support should there be any kind of decline in the next couple days. So check out that oscillator. So as you can see, the oscillator has curled down, as you can see right here. But this is kind of what I talked about in the last video, that bulls want to avoid that oscillator just tanking straight down, right? Rather, if they can kind of make that oscillator sort of move sideways, kind of, you know what I mean? Buyers don't want to see that oscillator just coming right back down, just kind of like the waterfall. But rather, what buyers want to do is let that oscillator kind of reset a little bit, at the top of his band. And that way, bulls can able to keep that buying pressure going and keep that trend going. So I think with today's little pop here on the last couple hours, holding above that micro-term moving average, that's going to help the oscillator to kind of potentially, if we do see a follow through to the upside tomorrow or something like that, you're going to see this oscillator kind of moving kind of sideways and sort of trying to curl back up. And they'll give a little bit of room here, because remember, we did hit that overbought level, that extreme overbought zone, just on Friday. So they needed a little bit of space, and that because now that that oscillator has came down a little bit, right, from the extreme overbought level. They came down here, so you can see there's a little bit of spacing here. And so with that, if bulls want to curl that oscillator back up and attack this 414 and fill that down gap, and that's a possibility here. And obviously buyers need to stand or that protect and continue to utilize that micro term and continue push up to the upside. But again, that micro term, if that micro term gets lost, you will see bears possibly pushing this down to about 406, 405 or something. Come back for you. We'll reassess the situation. Enjoy your evening. Go train tomorrow.